Hi all, welcome to Aarti Balaji Makeover Styles. So now let's get ready for this Onam. So already I have applied a moisturizer from Forever 52, now with a favorite palette from Forever 52. So gently covering my under eyes, around the eyes, a simple makeover. So it's a high coverage palette with multiple shades available. And now here comes the foundation from Forever 52. I'm just taking two shades. The one is from Amber, one is the shade called Amber. This is the one. And the second one is Bronze. So I mix these two shades, applying the inner part of my face. So I'm covering it around my eyes also, the upper part. So I've blended the foundation well with my beauty blender, and now comes here the Mist and Fix It from Forever 52 for holding the makeup long stay. So next is one of my favorite product from Forever 52, the Flourish Cream Contour. Okay, it's a beautiful shade. This is what I'm going to use it for myself. And just blending it with the brush. It blends out super good, and you can just push it to the outer way. And the next is my blusher. A little bit of pink blushing. And the next step is from Forever 52 Wet and Dry Compact Powder, and my shade is soft beige. And the next is from Forever 52 Blue Lave Intense Color Palette, which has got beautiful shades. I really want it to look very mild, so I'm choosing this shade, which is Amaranth. So you could see an intense result immediately. It's completely a matte shadow. To just give a little bit of pop out, I'm just choosing this tomato shade just for the inner corner. And a slide for the outer corner. Not too colorful, but just to make a difference to the shades. And a mild pillar box shade for the eyeball. So next is the extra lasting kajal, which is a favorite for most of them, just very easy to apply. So next is the jet black long wear gel eyeliner, which is one of my favorite because it stays for a longer time and brilliant with a brilliant brush they have given. So I always start from the center, then bring it to the corners. So it's pretty easy and doesn't make the eye smudge in the corner more, and just the empty brush to the corners. So the next is the super volume. It doesn't only give the volume, it also lengthens your mascara if you're looking for something, and this is the right one from Forever 52. So look at the beautiful bristles. So I'm not going to keep any lashes, but this is really going to volumize my lashes and also lengthen it up. And this one is my very favorite technique. Let me share that. Take the mascara, just brush it out. Don't go very deep, just the outer part. Then just brush it with your brow brush. It gives you a very natural brow. It doesn't look very dramatic. Trust me, it stays for a longer time when it's from a good brand. And the next is the highlighter, and the shade is Sun-Kissed Illuminator. Just blushing it. I'm just mixing it on the blusher as well as on my cheekbone. See, just one stroke and you could see a glass skin effect on this. Now comes the favorite part, the lipstick, and this is a beautiful shade. Everyone would love it. This shade is Plum Kiss. I'm just using for the outer line. I'm not going with the red. And then next is the blush babe for the inner part. Finally, setting again with this pink beautiful fixer. Okay, all set, got ready for my Onam look. So hope you enjoyed. And look at the glow, shine and everything. Okay, so let's celebrate this Onam with Forever 52 and enjoy yourself. Yeah, mom.
Boogie, boogie.